So to begin with, we start with 9, 7. 16 is made up of 9 and 7 only when we have only 2 digits with us. So 9, 7. So this becomes 2, this becomes 3, 12 plus 1, 13. Nine, 8, 6. 8 and 6 cannot be here, so this has to be 9. This becomes 7. Again, 7 is made up of 1, 2 and 4. 1 cannot be here because if I put 1 here, this has to be 11. If I put 1 here, it has to be 10. So 1 is not here, 1 is not here. So 1 is here. So here we see 9, 8 is the combination, and 8 cannot be there because I have to 8. If I put 8 there, I would have ended up putting 8 there. So 8, 7, 1, 6, 7. And here also 2 cannot be there. So 1, 2, 4 is the combination for 7. 2 cannot be there because I have to end up with 10 there. So 2, 9, 4, 8. That should be 8. Yeah. And this is 7. 24 is 9, 8, 7. Then 8 plus 9, 17. Again, we see that 9, 8, 6 is the combination for 23. 9 cannot be there. 9 cannot be there. And of course 6, 9 and 8 cannot be over there. So I have put a 6 there. And 9, 7, 8, 1. That is 6 and 1, 7. 6, 4 or 7, 3 is the combination. 7, 3 cannot be there because neither 7 or 3 can be there to form 7 because 7 has to be formed only by 1, 2, 4. So 6, 4 is the only combination possible. So 4, 6. So you can see it is 17. There is 8 there, which is straightforward. Now 23 should have 9 and 6. So we cannot have 9 here because the smallest 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4 is 10. So if I put 9 there, it will become 19, which will be more than 17. So definitely 9 is here. 2, 6, and now with 4 we have to make 11. The possibility is 1, 2, 3, 5. Only possibility is 1, 2, 3, 5. So 1 cannot be there to the left of 6 or to the right because I already have 1 to the right. If you see the column to the right, there is already a 1, and if I put 1 to the left, I'll end up with 10 in the last box. So here we have seven boxes, and if I line up the number 1 to 9 we get 45. So which means that with 2 we have to remove 8. With 2 digits we have to remove 8. Only possibility is 7 1 6 2 5 3. 7 1 is already there, so 6 2 2 has to be there. There has to be a 2 somewhere in this column, and then 5 3 is not there, because the only other way we can get rid of 8 using 2 digits is 5 and 3 have to be removed, which means that we have 9. We'll have 9, of course definitely we'll have a 2, that is for sure. So that 2 has to be the 2 cannot be, because 7 is made up of 1 2 4, so 2 cannot be put there above 6, because then I will end up with a 3 on the left. 2 cannot be there. Only possible position for 2 is the one which I have written just now. Now we have 9 and 8 and 4. Those are the 3 numbers left in this column. 4 is here. Eight has to be above 4, because I have to have a 2 there, so that makes it 7 on the left column, 9 6 1, and now it has to be 3 and 5, because I have to make 11 out of those 4. So 1 2 is already placed. 3 and 5. We see that 1 2 4 is the possible combination for 7. 1 cannot be there, because I have to have a 7 there. So 2 is the possibility. Again 4 cannot be there, because I will have 2 consecutive 4s, and the largest possible number there is 4, because 9 and 8 17. 9 8 17. So if I have 9 there, I am forced to put a 2 above that, because there is already 2 there. So I have to put, instead of 9, I have to put 8 there at the bottom. That brings a 3 there. 9 and 5, because I have to make it 11. 14 plus 2 16. Now with this 2 I have to make 17. 9 and 8. So again 8 cannot be there on the left, because it's a 16 that I have to make. So 9 7, that 8 will be there. 3 now there again 9 7 7 is already there, so 9 7. Over there, if I put a 2, I have to put a 7 there, so 2 cannot be there over there, so I have to have a 1. 8 plus 8 16. That brings 2 there. (11, 18, 21, 29). So with 2 I have to make 10. 9 1 ruled out, 8 2 ruled out, 7 3 ruled out. Only 6 4 is the possibility. So 6 here. 4 cannot be there, of course. 6 8 4. That brings a 6 over there, because 23 is 9 8 6. 18 plus 12 plus 6 18 plus 1 19. Now let's see what happens. We have to see now the combinations possible there. So if we see 6 is made up of 1 2 3. So 1 is definitely not there on the extreme left of the 6th row. So let's see what happens if we put a 3 there. If we put a 3, because 4 is made up of 3 1, we have to see what happens if we put a 3 first. So we put a 3 there. Let's say we put a 3 there. Then I am forced to put 1, of course. So 1 will come, the one of the top row will come here. That brings a 2, 7. Then again you will have a 7 here. So 2 7s will come together, which means that 3 is not at the top there, so it has to be 1, of course. Since 3 is not there, it has to be 1, because 1 3 is the only possible combination. So 1 3. And then 1 comes to the left. We will put 2 there and see what happens. You will get 2 6, then 3 6, which is wrong. So 3 7 2, and of course that is 5. Sorry, 3 5. It is 8. We make it 8. So 2 7. So you can see 12 plus 3 15, and that comes